Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about negative keywords, how we can add negative keywords from our search term reports. Okay, so let's get to know what are negative keywords first. Okay. So negative keywords let you exclude search terms from your campaigns and help you focus on only the keywords that matter to your customers. Better targeting can put your ad in front of interested users and increase your return on investment. Okay, so let's see how we can practically implement negative keywords using search terms. Okay, so in order to access negative keywords, you need to come to the section called keywords. Then we can see the option called negative keywords. So if I go to this portion, then I can see there are no negative keywords added in this account yet. Okay. Now I will add some negative keywords using search term. So I'll click on search term and I need to know which keywords are not necessary for my service or business. Okay, so you need to know first what are the keywords that you need to put as a negative keywords and which keywords are not necessary. Okay, so yeah, I know what keywords are important for my business and what are not. Okay, so let's see, let's find which keyword we can include as negative keyword. So this campaign, I am selling Valentine Day flower, okay, related to these keywords, okay, flowers delivery, 7-day flower delivery, florist by flower online, flower delivery London, and this campaign is based on London, so we can target London. Delivery flowers to someone, red flower, 7-day flower, Valentine Day. So we can see this option called Valentine flowers. We're selling Valentine flowers, not flowers. So we can exclude this as a negative keyword. So you can keep it as exact match, broad match, and phrase match as per your requirements. By default, it is showing exact match. So I will keep it as exact match. I will click on save. Then I will see if I get any keywords for implementing negative keywords. Valentine flower, where to order flowers to be delivered. Actually, those sort of terms like where, what, how, or what is. So this is not buying intentional keyword, because you don't want to target those keywords that will not convert. So you can uh, use those keywords as a negative keyword like where, what, which, how. So I will use this as negative keyword. You click on save, and if I go to the negative keyword, then we can see we have added 2 negative keywords. So as I already told you that you can add what as negative keyword, and add with, because those keyword are not buying intentional keyword. Okay, how. So yeah, and I will click on search terms again, and let's find whether we get any negative keywords or not. Roses, day, same delivery, wholesale flowers, dried flowers, artificial flowers, same day delivery flowers, Bergin, where is the best place? So this is again where I can add this as negative keyword. Bunch of red flower, white flower, forest nearby. So yeah, you can search those keywords and find some keywords which is not necessary for your business in this way. So I will add more negative keywords in later. And so yeah, Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how you can add negative keywords to boost your campaign performance. So in this way, you can add negative keywords in your Google Ads. So hopefully you have a clear idea on it. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel. Yeah, that's it for this video. You have a good day. Bye bye.